Alrighty, welcome back. Today's our first week grocery haul. So I'm gonna get this started. I can put it all up. And I'll tell you how much we spent at the end. So here we are. I got a pork shoulder for a recipe that I'm gonna try. It has a bone in it. So we got that, and that's about 3 pounds. A pound of all natural breakfast sausage. This stuff is good, so hopefully it's still good before. Some chicken breasts. Yeah, I think there's 5 in here. 4 or 5. These used to be a lot. You used to get 5. Now you only get 4 chicken breasts in a pack. So there's that, and then we got 3 pounds of hamburger, 30%. I didn't see any 93. Some Parmesan cheese, because we're going to do a shells and cheese type of thing. Daughter likes these, so we got her 3 of these. We got her grape, green apple, and strawberry. Little thing of ranch. We don't need a bunch. Regular medium cheddar cheese. Some butter, unsalted. The kids are trying to come and get this already. I got him some hot fries, because he can't have his Takis anymore because of his braces. So I got these for my daughter. She likes these, zombie. Got toilet paper, but white, and I ripped it because it was pissing me off when I was carrying it. That's supposed to last a month, and it should last a couple months, or month or so. And then I got some gum for when I'm out and about. Some more of the French vanilla. These were on sale for 99 cents. So we only got those. My husband picked them out. I'm not eating them. Shells to do the giant shells we're going to do. We got 2 boxes. Some of my cran cherry. Sour cream. Light sour cream. Some spinach for our shells. I got a bunch of oranges. I don't think we saved $1. I don't know if that counted or not. Chicken stock. These were 2 for $4. And then I grabbed 10 of these because these were 10 for $7. So I got black cherry, peach, and I think blueberry. And blueberry. Got the creamer for my husband, likes that. I saw these and I was like, ooh, English muffins for breakfast. Looks really, really good. And then I grabbed a cantaloupe. It was all bumpy and looks yummy. Smelled good. For a recipe, I grabbed some ginger. Some fresh ginger. That smells so good. Like a gingerbread cookie, or gingerbread house. And I got some poblados. I don't know if that's going to be enough. I got to look at my recipe, and if not, I'll pick them up when I do a pickup order at Walmart later. And I have jalapenos on my plant, but these ones, look at these jalapenos, they're huge. I grabbed 4 of those. Some bigger ones. I think if I would have planted mine in the ground or in a bigger bucket, they probably would have got that big. So, jalapenos, 4 of those. So yeah, that's our haul for our first week. And we spent $31 on the toilet paper. That was the only cash item we paid. And we spent a total of $123.83 on food. And there's our balance. I'll put it on the screen later if I don't forget. So that's our first grocery haul at Albertsons. So, and they're merging with, what was it, Aldi? Kroger. So all Kroger, which I think maybe Aldi is, I don't know. Those that have that store. So Albertsons is merging into Safeway. It already did that. But it's merging into like some types of Kroger. So yeah, that's what we got. We paid that, and we'll probably get 25 points for my fetch when I scan the receipt. So that's probably it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See y'all later. Peace out.